Hey, say with me, creating money without a part-time job. That's right. That's a course that we have created and we're offering today. That's right. Creating money without a part-time job. A lot of people are getting part-time jobs. They're making extra money, but they're exchanging time for money. And your time is your most valuable asset that you have. It's limited, guys, but we show you about 14 simple strategies that you can begin to take what you have to create what you need. Some of you all want to do real estate investing. We give you multiple simple strategies to invest in real estate with a small amount of money, with messed up credit. Simple things to do, guys. Also, we show you how to look at your time leaks and how to monetize that. We even show you some basic things that you can do in the stock market. You're not going to become a trader overnight, but it's going to expand your vision to say, man, with a few $1,000s, I can make money in the stock market with minimal to no risk. The bottom line is this. If you're looking for strategies to create money without having a second, third, or fourth job, this course is a one-time investment, less than $100. And guess what? We bring it to you, and you'll have unlimited lifetime access to it. And I guarantee you that you will never see money the same. I'm going to leave you with this principle. Most people miss money when it changes forms. Guys, you have so much money. And in this book called Creating Money Without a Part-Time Job, we're going to expand your mind to see money in areas that you never saw before. Make the investment in you and your children's children. And please have a great day.